Hi everyone, hope you're well. It's another on location video. No cards this week. I'm just going to talk through some intuitive messages I want to share for the coming week. So first one is, if you're going to be meeting a lot of new people over the next week or so, just hold back a bit. Don't be overly friendly. Don't give too much away. Be civil and nice, but just hold back that little bit until you know who and what you're dealing with a bit more. Second message is, there's been a real energy shift since the solstice on the 21st of June. There always is, but it just feels completely different now. So there's more sense of purpose and less of a drifting kind of purposelessness energy. And that's just building as well. Okay, next message is something I read this morning, which really made me think, and that's this: if you are easily offended, you are easily manipulated. So don't engage in other people's dramas or nonsense or BS this week. Don't get drawn in, don't react, don't let them steal your energy. Just stay detached and cool and calm and let whatever they say or do be their stuff. Okay, next message is about anything lost. So the message is, what seems lost isn't. It's still there and it's been there all along. So the literal meaning of this would be an object that you've lost, but you know it's in your room or your house somewhere. So it's there, you just can't find it yet, but it will turn up at some point. So mainly though, this message is about inequalities. So it's a reminder of your positive personal qualities that you just maybe can't access at the moment. So you might feel like, oh, I used to find this really easy, or I used to be like this, or think like that, or not be afraid or worried about things like this. So those qualities are still there for you to access when the time is right. It may just be that you've had to step back from it for a little while, but whatever feels lost hasn't gone. It is still there for when you need it. And also, this relates to things in the wider world. So if something is said to be lost, it isn't. Okay, next message is animal message. So it's all about the birds this week. If you've just had your head down and been sort of pecking around, just doing practical daily things like a sparrow, this week's all about being an eagle. So lift your head up. Soar above your situation, rise above it, be objective, and try and see what's really going on without ego or emotions, or just, being really, really busy getting in the way, and see what you can see what you can pick up on that's kind of been right in front of you, but you just haven't been able to notice. And final message is, this week we're just building up to another full moon. It's another super moon, which means we're going to feel it strongly because we're closer to the moon. And I think that's happening on the 3rd of July. So everyone, have a good week. I hope those messages helped, and I'll talk again soon. Bye-bye.